Hey guys, I want to bring you the final update on the Avery Blue Diamond vinyl wrap we just did on our Dodge Dart. It is now complete. It's out here in the sunlight. We did end up wrapping the mirrors. They're actually in 3 pieces. It's really hard to see the seams though. Here's what I was talking about in previous videos. We painted the center section black. Did the same thing with the front bumper. We did the silver stripe in the middle of the fog light covers. But if you like what you see, please continue to subscribe. There's some other things coming along for this Dart. And continue to like these videos. Thank you.